started with a record number of participants, amazing ideas and projects, and also really great sponsors, really great partners. So we have Critical Software, we have Vieira de Almeida, we have Titan Technologies, and also the Portuguese Navy. I really hope that the teams are also going to have a great time, and really excited to see what kind of projects that we're going to have.
For us, this was an amazing event. It was the chance to present our solution to authorities and create a new path into creating a new cyber resilience world and power up all of these solutions in the cyberspace.
These 48 past hours have been kind of difficult, I'm not gonna lie. We almost didn't sleep, but it was worth it. I mean, we got the second place. We were working on our software, which was what we showcased here, and it went well, the presentation went well.
I think it was a really good experience for both of us. We managed to do some friends, good networking, and we're really excited about this prize and what we can do next, transitioning this prototype to something real for the markets that can help our European defense defending our airspace.